Got a 2009 Mazda 5. Today I'm gonna be replacing the mass airflow sensor, which is right here. So you have this air duct cover, whatever you want to call this thing. It's got a little tab right here that you take off, put it aside. Mass airflow sensor is gonna be right here. All you gotta do is press on that tab, pull that connector off, and then you got two screws right here, Phillips head, but I'm using a smaller flat head to take it off. Just pull the sensor out. The new one's gonna be right here. You just install the new one just like that. Really easy, anybody can do it. Put the two screws back on in there, put the connector back on, put this back on in here. Clear the code with the OBD code reader. Let me show you guys. So that's the code right here. It's got another code right here, but this is the main code right here. I'm gonna clear the code, take it for a test drive, and that should clear the check engine light. And that's it, guys. I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, give me a thumbs up. Also click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.